Alright guys, welcome to your 33rd video, and in this video we're going to be testing and uploading our applet, seeing if it works basically. So remember in the last couple videos when I clicked on that Twitter link, did you notice that sometimes it wouldn't send any information to me? Well, I think that's because Twitter thinks that my applet is a bot. So instead what I did is I changed out Twitter for just a forum. But just go ahead and put any website in there that's not Twitter, because evidently Twitter thinks my Java applet is a bot. So I changed that first of all, and I named the title to Awesome Forum. And aside from that, I also forgot to add one line of code right here, right below your listener. Go ahead and add that list to the screen. If you don't do that, then your list isn't going to show up. So again, copy this line of code, add the list, and put it in the center, and this is going to make sure that it appears on the screen. So now, with that being said, let's go ahead and run our applet. Now go ahead and click this button right here, run this applet right here, and our applet viewer pops up, but nothing pops up right here because it isn't in the browser itself. So just go ahead and close out of that. And the reason that we ran that is because it doesn't generate a class file until you run the applet itself. So now that we ran it, our class files should be generated. So if you go to your computer and type in, oh, I forgot the name of my class, Bucky's Sites. I actually did this before. BuckySites.class, and search in your C drive, BuckySites.class. Then it should be a few seconds, and since I ran this a couple times, I'm probably going to see a few copies of my classes. Dun, 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 waiting for my computer. Alright, so here we go. Let me find the most recent one. Alright, there we go. So you see that you have two different classes, and you may only have one, but this is my class and this is my class definition. Just go ahead and copy both of them. That's all you need to worry about, right? Oops. Oh, I accidentally freaking deleted it. No, I do not want to do that. I actually want to copy you little fellas, and I want to paste it in my folder that I renamed Craplet. So paste in there. So now basically you have your two class files, which is a class definition, which is kind of like a blueprint for a class in your class, and your main HTML file, because your HTML file says, okay, that's what classes we're using. So now you have everything set up, and again, I put those in a folder called Craplet. So now I need to upload them to a server. So here is my computer that I'm working on right over here, and here is my server. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this. I'll make sure it's refreshed. Refreshed. Okay, everything's good to go. So take your entire folder and drag it over to your server. So now it's going to upload to the internet. So now if we open a browser, we can go to my server, which is lisa1986.com/craplet/bucky.html. Now you need to go to whatever HTML file that you called it. You may name yours as something different than Bucky. I recommend naming it Bucky because it's awesome. But go ahead and go to that and check it out. Here is our applet, and everything looks good so far. Now we just have to test it. So go ahead and click on thenewboston.org. Takes us to thenewboston.org. Let's go back and try Awesome Forum. Takes them to an awesome freaking forum. So how sweet is that? Our applet now works. That's what you need to do to upload it to a server and test it out. And if you guys are getting any errors, then you guys are probably going to see an error message instead of, this list right here. But if you guys have any questions about anything, then go ahead and just ask me on this forum right here under the Java section. But if not, then congratulations, you guys made a very simple applet that uses some very basic networking capabilities. Again, concerning networking in Java, we have only scratched the surface. We have so much more to cover, and it's going to get so much more in depth. So much so that you guys are going to look at this and be like, you know what, this wasn't even networking at all. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and well, I'll see you guys next time.